Day 5, Mexican Fiesta. Breakfast, chilaquiles. Ingredients, 4 cups tortilla chips, 2 cups salsa verde, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup crumbled queso fresco, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, lime wedges. For serving instructions, preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a large skillet on the griddle, heat the salsa verde until simmering. Add the tortilla chips and gently stir to coat them in the salsa. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the chips are slightly softened. In a separate skillet on the griddle, cook the eggs sunny side up. Serve the chilaquiles topped with sour cream, queso fresco, cooked eggs, chopped cilantro, and red onion. Serve with lime wedges. Huevos Rancheros. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, 4 corn tortillas, 1 cup refried beans, 1 cup salsa, 1/2 cup crumbled queso fresco, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1/4 cup diced avocado, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste olive oil for cooking. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Lightly brush the corn tortillas with olive oil and place them on the griddle. Cook until slightly crispy, about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Remove and set aside. Heat the refried beans on the griddle until warm. In a skillet on the griddle, cook the eggs sunny side up. Spread a layer of refried beans on each tortilla. Top with a cooked egg, salsa, queso fresco, chopped cilantro, diced avocado, and tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper before serving. Lunch chicken tinga tacos. Ingredients: 2 cups shredded cooked chicken, 1 large onion, sliced 2 cloves, garlic, minced 1 cup tomato sauce, 1 chipotle pepper in adobo sauce, chopped 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste 8 small corn tortillas, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1/4 cup diced red onion lime wedges. For serving instructions, preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a skillet on the griddle, cook the sliced onion and minced garlic until softened. Add the shredded chicken, tomato sauce, chipotle pepper, ground cumin, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until heated through and well combined. Warm the corn tortillas on the griddle. Fill each tortilla with the chicken tinga mixture. Top with chopped cilantro and diced red onion. Serve with lime wedges. Mexican street corn salad, Esquites. Ingredients: 4 ears of corn, kernels removed, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/2 cup crumbled cotija, cheese, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Cook the corn kernels on the griddle until slightly charred, about 5 to 7 minutes. In a large bowl, combine the cooked corn, mayonnaise, sour cream, crumbled cotija cheese, chili powder, chopped cilantro, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Mix well and serve warm or at room temperature. Dinner. Carne asada. Ingredients: 1 pound flank steak, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup lime juice, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. 8 small flour tortillas, 1/2 cup diced red onion, 1/2 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Lime wedges. For serving instructions: in a bowl, mix the olive oil, lime juice, minced garlic, ground cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Place the flank steak in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over it. Marinate for at least 30 minutes. Preheat your gas griddle to high heat. Cook the steak on the griddle for 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare, or adjust the cooking time to your desired doneness. Let the steak rest for 5 minutes before slicing thinly against the grain. Warm the tortillas on the griddle. Serve the sliced steak in tortillas topped with diced red onion and chopped cilantro. Serve with lime wedges. Vegetarian fajitas. Ingredients: 1 red bell pepper, sliced 1 yellow bell pepper, sliced 1 green bell pepper, sliced 1 large onion, sliced 1 zucchini, sliced 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon, ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste 8 small flour tortillas, 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro lime wedges for serving instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. In a bowl, toss the bell peppers, onion, zucchini, and mushrooms with olive oil, ground cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Cook the vegetables on the griddle until tender and slightly charred, about 5 to 7 minutes. Warm the tortillas on the griddle. Serve the vegetables in tortillas topped with chopped cilantro. Serve with lime wedges. Dessert churros. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 cup all-purpose flour, vegetable oil for frying, 1/2 cup, sugar 1 teaspoon ground. Cinnamon instructions: in a small saucepan, combine the water, sugar, salt, and vegetable oil. Bring to a boil and remove from heat. Stir in the flour until the mixture forms a ball. Preheat the oil in a deep pan on the griddle to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Using a piping bag with a star tip, pipe the dough into the hot oil in long strips. Fry until golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Drain on paper towels. In a shallow dish, combine the sugar and ground cinnamon. Roll the churros in the cinnamon sugar mixture before serving. Tres Leches Cake. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 5 large eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1/3 cup whole milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 can evaporated milk, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup heavy cream, whipped cream, and fresh berries for serving instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and sugar until thick and pale. Add the whole milk and vanilla extract and mix until combined. Gradually fold in the flour mixture. Pour the batter into a greased baking dish and bake for 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. In a small bowl, combine the evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, and heavy cream. Poke holes all over the cake with a fork and slowly pour the milk mixture over the cake, allowing it to soak in. Refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours before serving. Top with whipped cream and fresh berries. Conclusion of Day 5. Today we celebrated the vibrant flavors of Mexican cuisine with recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. From the spicy chilaquiles to the sweet churros, each dish brings a fiesta of flavors to your table. An excellent occasion to meet with friends and colleagues, relatives, or neighbors. Treat yourself to a holiday filled with bright, hot impressions. Subscribe to our channel, give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.